Today, we will show you how to download and use BirdsEye satellite imagery. You will need your computer with Garmin's Basecamp software installed, a Garmin-compatible device, and a USB cable. If your device came with a USB cable, use that one. Start by taking the large end of the USB cable and plug it into the computer. Then, take the small end of the USB cable and plug it into the device. You should notice the device entering mass storage mode. If the device asks you to enter base station mode, select No. Zoom into the area of the map that you would like to use with BirdsEye. Then, select BirdsEye from the menu along the top. Click Download BirdsEye Imagery. Select the device you would like to use. You can also use this page to manage your BirdsEye subscription. Then click Continue. After clicking Continue, you can adjust the map and select the area you want to download. You will need to use the tools at the top of this window to navigate the map. The hand tool is used to move the map. The magnifying glass will allow you to zoom in or out on the map. The Select Box tool will allow you to select the part of the map that you want to import into the device. We recommend using this tool for selecting areas to download until you are more comfortable using the wizard. The Select Shape tool will allow you to draw a custom area to download. With BirdsEye satellite imagery, you will have the option of choosing your image quality. Higher quality images have more data, reducing the area you can download at one time. If you don't get the entire area you want, you can always do another download after this one. Now, click Confirm. Once the file is downloaded, there are two options to transfer the BirdsEye imagery. The first option is to send the file directly to the device. In order to do this, simply drag the file from your recent downloads to the device's internal storage. The imagery should now appear on the device's internal storage. If you would like to download this to an SD card, then you will need to take additional steps. Drag the file onto the SD card once the download is complete. The BirdsEye imagery should now be on your device. It is important to remember to always eject the device before unplugging from the computer. Right-click on the device and select Eject. Thanks for watching. For more help, go to support.garmin.com.